Hi everybody, thanks for joining me for this experiment. So our live stream lesson today was on the topic, why do I have wrinkles when I take a bath? As we learned, one of the theories that scientists have is that these wrinkles actually helped our ancestors better grip things when they were looking for food in water, especially fast-flowing water such as rivers, and because it's on our fingertips and our toes, that the toes would actually help grip, just like some special shoes have grips. It helped us with our bare feet grip onto maybe rainy surfaces after it had rained, or along shores where there was lots of water. So this is actually a way that they hypothesize might have made it easier to do some of these things in the past, and we still have these traits today, even though most of us aren't going barefoot or are grabbing food in the river anymore. So it's something interesting that's carried over from the past, probably. So our experiment today is showing us how, first of all, how our fingers turn wrinkly and how that might change how we grip things. So what you'll need is a bunch of slippery stones or marbles. So I have here some round kind of stones. Just grab a handful of them. Ones that don't have too many edges that you can grab onto easily. We want them to be slippery. And we want to put them in some warm water so they can get extra slippery. Now you'll need an empty bowl. And finally, you'll need a big bowl of also warm water that we're going to soak our hands in. Okay, I'll give you a second to go grab that stuff. Okay, so you'll want to get a phone timer or any other kind of timer you have. It'll be on any kind of smartphone your parents might have. So we're looking for a stopwatch. You can also have this as a separate tool. Maybe if you do sports, you have one of those ones that have a button. Anyways, we're just going to want to time ourselves. I'll set it outside of the water. And what I want to do, we have our dry hands, right? We're going to try grabbing one stone, put it in the hands in the middle, and back into the empty one. So you keep your hands in the middle. This way, it's not going to be so easy where we're just going like this. So, once I say go, I'm going to press start, and then I'm going to do this. So go ahead and do it with me. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, and stop. It was 41 seconds for me. How much was it for you? Now, what we're going to do is get our bowl of warm water, and we're going to put our hands in it and keep it there just like we're in the bath for 10 minutes. So go ahead and start your timer again, and let's count 10 minutes together. I'll see you at the end of it. Go ahead and pause the video. And when you press play again, we'll both be back with our wrinkly hands. I bet your fingers are so soft and wrinkly now after this. Take a look at them. Okay, and now the longer that they stay in the water, the more wrinkly they're going to get. Now they only last for about 3.5 minutes after, so let's go ahead and start. I want to put these rocks back into the water to make them slippery again. Okay. Now, it's important to note with experiments that it's not going to be exact unless we replicate this in somewhere like a lab. But this is just fun to test it out anyways. Alright, let's get our stopwatch back. And when we're ready, I'm going to press start, and let's see how fast we can do it with our wrinkly fingers. 1, 2, 3, go. Again, in the middle. Now, some scientists say that it doesn't actually make that much of a difference, and that maybe it's more about the feet having grip on the ground when we used to walk around barefoot. But let's see for you. How do you feel? Do you feel like you can grip them better? Well, for me, I did 37 seconds this time with my wrinkly hands. So it could also be because we just practiced, and the more you practice, the better you get at it. We don't really know the answers. That's why they're called theories. But I hope you learned something and at least had fun. Thank you. Bye.